Welcome to foreground tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to layer images in Gimp 2.10. First you're going to open up Gimp, and then you're going to go to your file manager to where you saved your two images. Select the image that you will be using to be placed on top of the other image. Click and drag it into Gimp and let go. Now we're going to remove the background. We're going to go to Layer, Transparency, Add Alpha Channel. Once you've done that, you're going to go to Select by Color tool, select it, click in the background, and then you can either go to Edit and Cut, or you can click Ctrl X on your keyboard. And then you go to Select and None. Then you'll see that it got rid of the background. So now we're going to go to File and Open. I'm going to go back to Desktop, and then you can go to the other file, select it, and click Open. And go back on the top, you can see the tabs. Go to your original one, click the rectangular select tool, drag around it. You should have the whole image in, and click Ctrl C on your keyboard. Or you can go to Edit and then Copy. And you're going to go to the image you're going to be placing on top of. You can either Ctrl V on your keyboard, or you can go to Edit and click Paste. And do Ctrl V. And now the image might be either too large or too small, so we're going to go to the Scale tool, scale it down, move back toward the center, scale it down again, and place it where you'd like it. And keep scaling until you're done. And click Scale. And then over here you'll realize it's a floating layer. So you're going to click the green layer with a plus sign. And now we can zoom in. And you can either move it around more or leave it like this. You might have still some of the selection, the background from the selection there. So you can go back to your color select, select the color, Ctrl X on your keyboard, select and none, and then it will go away. And that is how to layer images in Gimp 2.10.10. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.